Before we can get into drawing a job, the first thing we need to do is install the software onto your computer. To ensure this is a nice smooth process, there's a few steps we're going to take to make sure your computer is ready to install the software, Windows is up to date, and that there's no antivirus programs that are going to block this installation from completing. So one of the first and most important steps in this procedure is to check that our computer meets the minimum system requirements set out on Planet's website. One of the most important requirements here is the use of the Windows Pro Edition. Trying to install the software on Windows Home, it can and it will give you grief during this installation process, and certainly moving on throughout your use of Cabinet Vision. If you don't know too much about all these specs and minimum requirements, talk to your IT professional, show that to them, and get them to walk you through the steps required to make sure that you have a computer that is ready to take Cabinet Vision and will handle it well. There's a link below in the description to the Planet website where you can find these specifications. Once you've ensured your computer meets these requirements, it's very important to ensure that Windows is up to date. We'll move over to the screen to check that our computer is up to date, and we will first click here on the Windows icon. We'll begin typing the word update, and we'll then select check for updates. On this screen, we'll then click again this button that says check for updates and wait while Windows searches for any updates to your computer. If you see a message telling you that important updates are available or telling you to review some important updates, click that message to view and select the important updates and then download and install them. You may even just see download or download and install, in which case you can just click this button to download and install the updates. After this process, your computer should now say that you're up to date. You may need to run through this process a couple of times before you're up to date if it's been quite a while since you've done updates previously. Once this is complete, just do one final restart to make sure your computer is ready to go. So before we move on, have a read of those minimum system requirements linked below in the description. Check your computer to it, discuss it with your IT company if you need, and then we'll jump into making sure all the permissions are set on your computer to avoid parts of our installation being blocked.